Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to study angles and types of angles. Now we know what is an angle. There is an initial arm and there is a final arm. Both have a common point and the area between this is called the angle. So an angle has two arms and the common point is known as the vertex, right? Now, do we see angle between the hands of this clock? Yes, there is an angle between the hands of the clock, between the hour hand and the minute hand. Similarly, in the second picture, do we see an angle between the beak of the bird? Look at the beak of the bird which is holding a cherry. Yes, there is an angle made between the beak. In the third picture, the door. If we look at the corners of the door, there is an angle between the horizontal top surface and the vertical adjacent surface. So in all the three figures, which are very common in our daily lives, we can see angles. Now, let us see what are the different types of angles. Let us begin. So, we have a initial or the beginning arm. This arm rotates till we get the final arm. Now, here the initial arm was horizontal and the final arm stopped just before it could become vertical. The angle made in this position is known as acute angle. Now, how do we define acute angle? The angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees is called as the acute angle.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.